The internet landscape is constantly in flux, changing rapidly as new technologies are developed and made available to the masses. Oftentimes, we see these changes hit the consumer market first, where quirks and bugs are banged out, later making it to the corporate world. We saw this with mobile devices demanding mission-critical wireless services both in the home and at work. We saw this with the pervasiveness of cell phones, negating the need for dusty handsets to sit on desks. We saw this with cloud services available on mobile devices, which drove demand and provided comfort in the use of cloud services in the corporate world. And we're seeing it now with changes in internet connectivity options. It used to be that if you wanted to interconnect multiple office locations, you'd get some sort of leased line or MPLS service. These were the best options for private connectivity in terms of reliability and security, but they often came with proprietary equipment and designs and were available at a hefty cost. As consumer internet connectivity options evolved, they became more reliable and faster than their enterprise counterparts, which begs the question, why aren't we leveraging these services to augment connectivity in the corporate world? And so, Software Defined WAN, or SD-WAN, was born. The evolution of the public, traditionally consumer-grade internet allowed enterprises to demand more flexible connectivity options and at faster speeds. SD-WAN takes the dynamic and programmable benefits of software-defined networking and applies them to the WAN, allowing enterprises to dictate how sites talk to each other over the public internet. Aruba SD-WAN allows enterprises to choose how branch locations connect. Branch locations can continue to use traditional hub-and-spoke topologies or can opt to use site-to-site setups to optimize traffic flows. They can continue to use their private WAN or can replace or augment the service with cable, DSL, satellite, LTE, or any number of other internet offerings. Simple controls make it easy to optimize traffic distribution, monitor WAN performance, and set up QoS and bandwidth policies for any number of branches. Integrated firewalls make sure each and every site is protected at the edge. Aruba's SD-WAN is powered by Aruba Central. Aruba Central is a unified cloud management platform that can be used to manage your LAN, WLAN, and SD-WAN implementations all in a single pane of glass. Configurations are hierarchical, so similar configuration elements can be configured at a high level and automatically pushed down to lower level devices, which minimizes the amount of time spent configuring the solution. Aruba is not only committed to providing an easy-to-use management platform, but is also committed to simplifying the onboarding process. The Aruba Installer app provides a means of onboarding devices into Aruba Central by simply scanning them with a mobile device. Zero-touch provisioning allows you to get a branch site up and running in minutes and without any technical expertise. This makes it possible to do a countrywide deployment without actually having to travel to each and every site. Instead, configuration can be done in Aruba Central remotely, and on-site staff simply need to plug in cables to the new branch gateway. Aruba Central provides an easy-to-use dashboard that displays information pertaining to branch health, device performance, and client connectivity. Alerts, reports, and audit trails are available for monitoring and troubleshooting network performance issues. Aruba Central provides deep insights for both RF optimizations and SD-WAN. One glance at the provided health metrics will quickly tell you the number of up and down connections, link health, average bandwidth consumed, and the average value for site availability and policy compliance. This makes Aruba Central a powerful tool when considering ISP SLAs or when determining branch bandwidth needs. Aruba SD-WAN can make intelligent traffic routing decisions with policy-based routing and dynamic path steering. Traffic can be routed across multiple private or public WAN uplinks based on application health or type, user role, or destination. Dynamic path steering will help choose the best available uplink based on characteristics like throughput, latency, jitter, and packet loss. Our Deep Packet Inspection engine continuously evaluates and optimizes performance for over 2,600 applications. DPI helps ensure the highest possible quality of service, even for encrypted or hidden traffic. All of these options are configurable, giving enterprises control over how branch locations operate. The thing about leveraging the public internet is that enterprises lose the security net they had with private connectivity options. Moving to public internet opens the door to public threats, meaning each branch location needs to pay special mind to security. Aruba gateways have built-in application-aware firewalls that not only secure the edge, but allow you to apply traffic policies to user roles. The stateful firewall can be leveraged to optimize traffic with role-based awareness, meaning Michael from accounting might not have the same application or access rights as Karen from IT. Further to that, Aruba gateways support dynamic segmentation. Dynamic segmentation accepts tunneled connections from Aruba switchboards, applying security policies to wired devices the same way you apply policies to wireless devices. Dynamic segmentation allows you to roll out true zero-trust networking while maintaining consistent policies across the wired and wireless networks. The ultimate goal of SD-WAN is to extend the campus experience across a distributed enterprise. Headquarter and branch users need the same user experiences with context-aware security policies. SD-WAN is here to stay, and the timing is right to take advantage of all available connectivity options. Successful SD-WAN implementations will not only be easy to use, but will provide secure, intelligent, and adaptable connectivity. Aruba SD-WAN provides IT with end-to-end network visibility, security that extends from users and devices to applications, dynamic WAN state management, and simplified onboarding with cloud scale.